Banff National Park, Canada. The first national park of Canada, and the third in the world, Banff National Park, was established in 1885 and is known for its brilliantly colored lakes, breathtaking mountains, and countless adventures. Did you know that Lake Louise, located in the heart of Banff National Park, is one of the most photographed landscapes in the world and home to the world-famous Fairmount Chateau? Today we'll talk about why so many people from all over the world visit Banff National Park each year. Also, what fun activities you can do while staying there. Watch the video till the end if you want to find out more interesting facts about the incredibly vast and magnificent park. Nature and humanity are strongly intertwined. When a person feels lost, he finds himself amid the mountains and lakes, reconnecting with nature and discovering more about himself. And this heavenly park intoxicates your soul, making you feel lighter. When wandering around the wilderness of Banff National Park, you sync with its magical sunsets, pearl-like lakes, and towering mountains. Let's delve a little further into the Banff National Park. Banff National Park occupies an area of 2,564 square miles, that's 6,641 square kilometers, along the eastern slopes of the Rocky Mountains and abuts the border of British Columbia. 95% of the area occupies wilderness. The park headquarters are located in the town of Banff, which is located in the park's southern section, about 80 miles 130 kilometers west of Calgary. Banff has an official population of 8,000 individuals who are lively and adventurous. Recognizing the remarkable beauty, animal richness, and continuous geological process, the Banff National Park was included in the Canadian Rocky Mountain Park's UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1984. The commercial space in the town of Banff is 353,000 square meters, 3.8 million square feet, or around 10% of the total area of the town site, minimized by the federal government. Tourism is the town's biggest moneymaker. Every year, almost 4 million tourists visit Banff National Park, and nearly all of them stay in Banff. The easy access to the magnificent mountains, lakes, and valleys continues to draw attention from all over the world. The park has the most tourists during the summer, since it is perfect for activities such as hiking and swimming. Also, if you want to see some of the iconic parts, they are most inaccessible in winter. Day visitors are a result of vehicle traffic into town. A typical busy day in Banff involves around 25,000 automobiles, both inbound and outbound. The net result of an average summer day visitor adjusted population of roughly 43,000 people is obtained. Now let's talk about the fun things you can do and places you shouldn't miss when visiting Banff National Park. Exploring secret sites is exciting, but don't overlook a few divine spots while visiting Banff National Park. It would be fair to say you'd be missing on a lot if you visit Banff National Park if you don't visit Lake Louise and Moraine Lake, the jewel of the Canadian Rockies. Lake Louise is famous for its turquoise, glacier-fed lake surrounded by towering hills and overlooked by a majestic castle, Fairmount Chateau. Around the lake, there are several hiking trails. Hiking trails go to Saddleback Pass, Fairview Mountain, 2,744 meters or 9,003 feet, Mirror Lake, Lake Agnes, Big Beehive, Little Beehive, Devil's Thumb, Mount White, and Mount Nimblock. Apart from hiking, some of these trails are also great for mountain biking and horse riding, and the surrounding mountain faces offer opportunities for rock climbing. 14 kilometers, 8.7 miles from Lake Louise is Moraine Lake. Situated in the Valley of 10 Peaks, Moraine Lake has an area of 50 hectares, that's 120 acres. It is often referred to as glacially fled, as it does not reach its crest until the middle to late June. The Rockpile Path, which runs along the actual moraine, is the most popular tourist trail. The route is roughly 300 meters, 980 feet in length, with a 24-meter elevation change, which is 79 feet. You can sunbathe and read your favorite book while enjoying the gorgeous view of the mountains behind the lake in the Valley of the 10 Peaks, which is also referred to as the $20 view, and is also the most photographed location in Canada. You can also enjoy boating while gazing at the breathtaking scenery, a horse-drawn sleigh ride, a round-trip gondola ride getting access to the limitless beautiful scenery of Banff National Park with minimal exertion. Banff National Park also gives you the chance to observe wildlife as the forests are stretched all over the park. There's wildlife, so you need to be a little careful when it comes to food. It's advised to fully wrap your food, especially that with a strong smell. If you like spooky places, you won't want to miss Banff Ghost Walks, which allow you to experience the town at night as the darkness falls over the mountains, while listening to the tales of mysterious occurrences and heinous murders by your guide. Winter sports enthusiasts should not miss these spectacular ski resorts if they enjoy skiing. The Banff National Park is home to 3 distinct ski resorts: Sunshine Village, Lake Louise Ski Resort, and Mount Norquay, each one with its own specialities and offering a diverse range of slopes and experiences for skiers of all ability levels, whether a seasoned sender or a total beginner. There are several modes of transportation available to suit your travel preferences. Another alternative is to book a rental near the ski bus station. Every year, a bunch of interesting events is held in Banff and Lake Louise. If you are an admirer of art and literature, you can get the chance to listen to the amazing and enlightening talks from international writers and poets at the Banff Centre of Arts and Creativity. Also, you can explore new routes at the Banff Marathon. Get amazed by the sights of world-class ice sculptors creating marvels at the Ice Magic, or even swirl beneath the blanket of stars in an outdoor concert, imagining yourself in a fairyland, living in the moment. If you plan on staying in Banff National Park for a few days or weeks, you will undoubtedly want to locate accommodations that are both comfortable and handy. So let's have a look at our top 3 options for you. If you are with your family and want to have an extraordinary experience, renting Banff Mountain Home would be the right choice. It has 4 spacious bedrooms. On the ground floor, you can find a room with 2 queen-size beds, as well as a huge kitchen, a bar, a living room, as well as a dining room. There are 3 rooms on the second floor, each with its large bathroom equipped with a shower and tub. It's quite convenient to stay there because the Banff Mountain House is only 2 blocks from Banff Avenue, which has stores, restaurants, cafes, pubs, galleries, and more. Aside from that, it includes parking for up to 4 vehicles. If you're with your partner and concerned about your privacy, this private mountain chalet could suit you well. Located in a quiet street in the heart of Banff with a stunning mountains view. The best thing about renting this place is that restaurants, shops, liquor stores, ski bus stops, and art galleries are just a 2-minute walk away. This 12,000 square feet comprises 3 bedrooms, 2 bedrooms on the main floor with queen beds, and luxurious separate bathrooms. The first bedroom is located on the top floor with an ensuite bathroom. The living area is equipped with a 4K Samsung Smart TV with Netflix, a gas fireplace, large dining for up to 6 people, a kitchenette with coffee-making facilities, ample crockery, and a fridge. Also, COVID protocols are kept in consideration for your safety. Another place you should consider renting is Banff Mountain Home. This chic and rustic house and 2 rooms and all the beds have Tempur-Pedic mattresses and high-quality linens. The kitchen has all the ample ingredients and condiments. Relaxing in the green backyard of this house, you can enjoy your morning coffee or watch the sunset over Mount Rundle. This place also provides free flat-screen TVs including free Wi-Fi and high-speed wireless internet. Banff National Park is not only rich in surreal woods, sparkling lakes, and spectacular landscapes, but it can also be a source of insight and learning for your children. Reconnecting with their natural values and escaping the monotony of school life can expand the horizons of the minds of children. So reward yourself and your family by making Banff National Park your summer destination. And make the most of your days by participating in dozens of adventurous things, attending exciting events, and receiving excellent service. If you enjoy our video and want to see similar content in the future, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press on the bell icon.